Rejoice in the Lord always. Again I say rejoice. Let everyone know that you are kind and gracious. The Lord is near, the Lord is near, so rejoice. Rejoice in the Lord always. Again I say rejoice. Let everyone know that you are kind and gracious. The Lord is near, the Lord is near, so rejoice. That is sign and song for Philippians 4 chapter. That is sign and song language for Philippians chapter 4 verses 4 through 5. Now I'd like to break down what signs I used and why. For rejoice, I used excited. You can also use happy or joy, and I used excited because I feel like it's bigger than happy, and I feel like this is what the scripture is saying is be really excited. And then the sign for Lord is take your L from your shoulder to your hip, like that banner, Lord. This is a sign for always, a circle that just keeps going around. And the sign for again. So let's just do that part. Rejoice in the Lord always. Again, I say rejoice. Let's do that one more time together. Rejoice in the Lord always. Again, I say rejoice. Now we're taking no, the sign for no, because it's at your brain where you store your knowledge. We're letting everyone know, so the knowledge comes out to everyone. Let everyone know that you are kind and gracious. This is the sign for kind and gracious because it's like you're wrapping somebody's wound. You're being kind and gracious. We'll do that second part again. Let everyone know that you are kind and gracious. Now we're going to go to the Lord again. The Lord is near. You take your non-dominant hand, and your dominant hand comes really close and kind of pumps back and forth. Near. The Lord is near. The Lord is near. So, rejoice. Now, I not only do rejoice here, but I kind of add an exclamation to the end of it, like rejoice, and this is celebrate. Celebrate. We're excited. The Lord is near, so rejoice. And make sure your face gets excited too. Rejoice. Yes. Do that last part again. The Lord is near. The Lord is near. So rejoice. Let's do it all together now with the music. Rejoice in the Lord always. Again I say rejoice. Let everyone know that you are kind and gracious. The Lord is near. The Lord is near, so rejoice. Rejoice in the Lord always. Again I say rejoice. Let everyone know that you are kind and gracious. The Lord is near. The Lord is near, so rejoice. I hope you enjoyed doing this song and sign with me. I hope it helps you to meditate on that scripture and puts that song in your heart and on your mind so that you are constantly praising the Lord all day long. Love you so much. Have a great day. Bless you.